Hello everybody, today we'll be taking a closer look at a very old release of Rowllin Bowling Mater. Yes, I actually have this guy in my collection and in a very good condition, as we can see here. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's take a closer look at the diecast. So yeah, like all the diecast I review on the channel, he is in a 1:55 scale. He is the first ever character variation to be released from Mattel way back in 2006. On the side, he has some very nice stars, black and white, and of course Mater radiator springs is on the side with a tone Mater as well. He's got very nice blue eyes to of course match the diecast, with a black hood as well, or a black toe cup, I guess you could say. There is the toe hook, all in black. It looks really cool. Mine is slightly dusty because I have had him quite a while in my collection now. Of course, he looks pretty cool. And yep, way back in 2006, cars were being made in Thailand. So, to have this guy in Thailand in very good condition, I gotta say, it's quite cool and quite rare. I mean, take a close look at him. He does look pretty cool. I don't have the playset, unfortunately, because, you know, it is way too big to fit in my room. But maybe I'll have it in the future. But, you know, I did want to compare him to the Thailand release of brand new Mater in 2020. They are pretty much the same, apart from the fact that he doesn't have the toe Mater on the side. And he doesn't have the black hook, which does look pretty cool. And, of course, on the back, he doesn't have the A113 license plate like he should. But, you know, it is a pretty cool variation. It's got the usual blue/white rims on the brand new Mater version compared to the Rowllin Bowling version, and of course, you know, we've got to compare him to the regular Mater release way back in 2007 as well. As you can see here is the Thailand version. Mater has not changed very much at all, hasn't he? I mean, again, to have this Mater in a very good condition all the way back in 2007 is just an achievement as it is. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you for watching this review on the Rowllin Bowling Mater. If you did like it, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification button down below, all that stuff. To the next video, which will be tomorrow. Peace everybody.